Changing unsubscribed email in Constant Contact is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Visit the Constant Contact website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account Settings section. You can usually find it in the top menu or sidebar navigation. In the Settings menu, look for an option related to email settings or unsubscribe options. Click on it to access the settings for unsubscribed emails. Within the unsubscribe settings, locate the field where you can enter the email address for unsubscribe requests. Update the email address to the desired one. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to. After entering the new unsubscribed email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click on it to save your changes. Constant Contact may prompt you to confirm the changes before proceeding. Review the changes and confirm if everything looks correct. After saving the changes, consider sending a test email to yourself or a colleague and testing the unsubscribe functionality. Use the unsubscribe link in the test email to verify that unsubscribe requests are being directed to the updated email address. Once the changes are saved, review the unsubscribe settings to ensure that the new email address is correctly configured.